Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear students, please follow all the instruction which is provided by your local health authorities. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your ward fees. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 2 nutrition in animal part 12. Dear student, in the last part we discussed true false. In this video we will discuss E, that give reason of each of the following. So let's start. First, animals are heterotrophic. Dear students, animal cannot prepare their own food and are depend on the plant and the other. So they are called what? Heterotrophic. Now come to the second question. We should keep our teeth clean. Dear student, we should keep our teeth clean because of to avoid the tooth decay. We should keep our teeth clean, avoid tooth decay. Now come to the third. Chewing boiled rice for some times gives a sweet taste. Boiled rice has a starch which gets converted into the glucose by the action of saliva, so the rice tastes sweet when chewed for a while. Now come to the fourth one. Hydrochloric acid play an important role in digestion. Dear students, hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in the solid food and soften the food and make it acidic. Now come to the fifth one. Human can digest cellulose. Human can digest cellulose, so we do not have a bacteria required to digest cellulose. Now come to the F part. Answer these questions in one word or a sentence. First, define holozoic nutrition. Dear student, the process of obtaining nutrition by taking in a solid food material is called what? Holozoic nutrition. Now come to the second question. Define assimilation. Dear student, the process in which simple substances are absorbed from a alimentary canal are transported through the blood in the blood vessels to the all part of the body is called what? Assimilation. Now third one, what is the peristalsis? Dear students, the alternative constriction and relaxation of muscles in alimentary canal in the form of wave pushed to the food down is called peristalsis. Now come to the fourth. Name the final products of protein digestion. Dear students, that final product of protein digestion is amino acids. Now come to the fifth. What is the defecation? Now dear students, the removal of the semi-solid undigested waste or the feces through the anus is known as defecation. Now dear students, now come to the G part. First answer the following question. First is differentiate between absorption and assimilation. Dear students, the process of absorption is a process by which the digest food is taken by the blood and carried out all part of the body. Assimilation is the process of using the absorbed food to produce energy, which is used for growth, development and repair of the body. Now come to the second question. How does tooth decay takes place? Question mark. Dear student, when the teeth are not cleaned properly after eating, many harmful bacteria begin to grow and live in the mouth. These bacteria and food particles mix together and form a sticky layer that is called what? Dental plaque on the surface of our teeth. If the plaque is not removed, the bacteria release acid and that can slowly damage to the tooth enamel. This destruction of the tooth enamel is called what? Tooth decay. Now come to the third question. What are the function of tongue? Question mark. Tongue is a fleshy muscles organs that help mix saliva with the food while chewing and swallowed. It is very important sense organs and it has a taste bud located at the upper surface which help to detect the taste of the food. The tongue also help to talk. Now come to the next question. What is the role of epiglottis? Dear student, the flap-like structure that close and opening of a windpipe while swallowing food is called what? Epiglottis. It prevents the food from entering and windpipe while eating. So, dear students, now come to the fifth question. What are villi? Question mark. Dear student, the inner wall of the small intestine is thrown into many fold that have a million of finger-like outgrowth is called what? Villi. The villi increase the surface area of absorption of the digest food, which each villi has a network of thin and small blood vessel to close to its surface, which absorb the digest food material. So, students, hope you understood. Dear students, you have to do that portion F, G in your fair notebook, and also E part of this exercise. E, F and G part of your exercise you have to do in a very neat and clean way in your fair notebook. Dear students, you can write also with the help of detail planner, which is available on your school app. Thank you students. Stay home. Be safe.